how to add a PDF file to a Wix website. So if you want to add a PDF file to your Wix website, maybe when you want your users to click a certain button, you want them to download a certain PDF file. For this, we will simply add a button first. So choose a point where you want to add a button and just click on the Add Elements option and just navigate towards the button section and just choose a button that you would like to add right here, right? So once we've added that particular button right here, as you'll be able to see, we can simply go ahead and zoom this button a little bit. We can change the color and the size, the design of this particular button like this. Now we can simply click on this option and we can also simply change the text inside this. So I will just type in click here to download PDF, right? So when we've done this, you will be able to see this particular option. You can see links to and choose a link. So all you have to do is click on choose a link, and then here you can select document, select choose a file, and just select upload media from here, then select upload from computer, then just choose the PDF file that you want the users to be linked to. So I will just go to the document section and I will select a certain PDF file right here, and once I've done that, you will see the PDF file will be uploaded, and whenever people click on that link, they will be able to download this particular media by clicking on the add to page option, clicking on done, and right here you can see just like this. So now next time whenever I preview the site on the next particular page, right? So when I go to the preview page right here, and when people click on this link, they will be able to download that particular PDF file. So you can see it will just directly redirect the download button. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.